I've written several letters to His Excellency. I have made several suggestions to His Excellency over these unpaid salaries. When we're talking about unpaid salaries, we're talking 5 years of no salary. We're talking about parents. We're talking about families. Over there, you will see the pictures of those who have died. The teachers we're talking about, they are not just BSc holders, but doctorate degree holders. Why is it that all of a sudden in Rivers State, education is being downplayed? Attention is not given to education. We have suffered too many losses in Rivers State this period. These teachers have been evicted from their homes because, speak to you, we have lost 25 teachers. As I speak to you, some of them are in the hospital, no money to take care of their bill. As I speak to you right now, their children are out of school. And we have leaders who have children, who have families, and they are so comfortable. They wake up every morning, they smile at their children. Their children have choice food to eat, while these ones are suffering. Is it fair? I ask the question, is it fair? No. Even to you, the policemen standing here, you know it's not fair. It is not fair. These people deserve their wages. And as I speak to you, they are still going to teach. They are still running Wike. They are still doing everything. I remember vividly during the lockdown, I came out and I gave these people palliatives because I know what they are suffering. Look at their faces when you see them. You see pain. You see hunger. You see rejection. I want to use this opportunity to beg His Excellency, Honorable Justice Suzette Wike, who is a judge in Rivers State, to beg her husband, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Wike, to pay these people so that their families can have good life. Because he is pushing them to the point where their children will begin to hate the society. And I bet you someday, children are like the ocean. They meet somewhere. His children and the children of these people that are oppressed will meet somewhere. He who oppresses the poor will meet with the poor someday. There is a life after power. There is a life after power. And I bet you, the ambition of our governor does not stop here. He wants to go further. If he does not pay, because most of us standing here, we can't carry members of this party. We all voted him. But it's a shame, very big shame, I'm angry, that people will sit there and they don't give a shit about the sufferings of Rivers people. And every day the governor says he loves them. That is rubbish.
Greatest Nigerian people can never be intimidated. Nigerian people. Greatest Gaga. I want to say, we are here because the Rivers State governor has refused to obey two existing court judgments, one from the industrial court and another from the Court of Appeal. Those two judgments clearly reinforce, reinstate that these teachers are bona fide teachers of the Rivers State government. And these teachers deserve their salaries or wages. We are shocked that the Rivers State governor, who is a member of one of the highest legal organ of our judiciary, being the body of benchers, can afford to disobey two existing conduct. We are equally shocked that the governor, who is a lawyer and a product of the law, someone who became governor because our courts affirmed his election victory. students in UOE and the River State University of Science and Technology. One begins to wonder, from where in a democracy the governor derived the power to swim moto without any court order, without any non-legal procedure of disengaging a public officer or public worker, will in a military style stop the salaries of dying teachers, hungry teachers for the past 5 years. We are saying that as civil society in River State, that in as much as the teachers are ready, and provided they have vowed that they will be coming to the River State government on a monthly basis to demand for these salaries, we will join them every month to come and demand that salary.
Our appeal is one and very simple. That the governor should please, we are entering a passionate appeal, pay our teachers. Our teachers are suffering. Our teachers, they already small, they are dying. How long? How long are you going to keep quiet? So this is very simple. The issue is this. It has been settled in court, and matter that has been settled in court need not to be overstretched. Effect court judgment. It's as easy as ABCD. So no need to plenty of meetings, talk here and there. The governor knows what to do. He should do the needful and pay these teachers. Thank you very much.
Members. My name is Obina Anyam, an ex-student of River State College of Education, Demonstration Secondary School, now Ignatius Ajero University. I remember far back in the 90s when some of the past governors used to visit us. I was in the school when the former military administrator, Godwin Abbey, visited us. That is in recognition of the school. The former governor, Rufus Ada George, visited us too. Even then, his son was in that school. Even some of the ministers, commissioners then, we had them in the school. So, in terms of the school, it is well recognized by River State government. It is unfortunate that these people are passing through these pains. For how long will they suffer? Right there, my former principal, Mr. Elechi, he died of diabetes. We know what we have passed through to send things to them. But for how long? It is a simple matter. Please, can you pay them their salaries? 5 years is so much. I saw some of them this morning, and I'm not happy about it. Some of them are sick. Some of them need better treatment. Most of them are due for retirement. You don't need to wish them away. You don't need to throw them away. They have given in their best. If you want to retire them, there are procedures you follow to retire them, not to frustrate.
First of all, I want to thank the governor for what he has been doing in River State. Of course, we're not blind. The other day I was driving past Garrison roundabout and I was very, very happy. I was very happy. I was like, thank you, sir, for doing this thing that you've been doing in this state. We are grateful. We can see all the roads that you've been doing for us. We want to say thank you. But at the same time, we are pleading with you. We are on our knees. We know you're trying and it's not easy. But please, this section is lacking. This section is suffering. Children are suffering. Teachers are suffering. I am begging you, please, do not neglect this section. Together we will come together and everything will be fine. It's one River State. As we walk on the road, we are happy. Our road is happy. Our tummy is full. And every thanks and everything will go back to you. We are pleading with you, sir. Please help us. Thank you.
When we will come the next one with our bed, we will not listen to Irikefe and Ayama. All I want is the salary. Okay, please. I know most of you are already angry because this is not our plan originally. Our plan is to sleep here. But let us believe that the governor, being a lawyer and being a Democrat, will obey court judgment and will be democratic and pay us our salary before we come here next month. Amen. All right.